First at 5 today, there is breaking news on Wall Street. A sell-off sends traders on a roller coaster ride.
At one point, the Dow was down as much as 1,600 points, erasing gains for 2018 in just a matter of minutes. It recovered some of those losses, closing down 1,175 points, or 4.6%. CBS 2's Alice Gaynor live in our newsroom now with more. Alice.
Maurice and Christine, worried investors continue to sell off over fears of overheated markets and higher inflation. Today's drop marked the largest intraday drop, meaning down and up within the same day, for the Dow in its history.
At one point Monday, the Dow was down nearly 1,600 points, though it did gain back some of its losses. So what's going on? The market slump began Friday following a positive jobs report. Wages are up. Investors have worries about higher inflation, and they're concerned that the Fed will raise interest rates. Jerome Powell was officially sworn in as the new head of the Federal Reserve today. The Fed planned on raising interest rates 3 times this year, but if inflation picks up, it could raise them more often. There are worries about the bond market. Inflation is bad for bonds. Wells Fargo suffered some of the worst of the selling. The number 2 bank plunged after sanctions were handed down by the Fed late Friday. The bank is not allowed to grow any bigger than it already is until it rights its wrongs. There were losses across the board, with ExxonMobil and Chevron both down more than 5%. Healthcare companies like Johnson & Johnson and Pfizer also had steep losses. In terms of the market plunge, people we spoke to didn't seem too concerned.
I'm not worried at all.
It's not unexpected that there would be some sort of correction at this point.
That's exactly what wealth advisor Bob Fust thinks.
Most money managers wanted this course correction, which means if they wanted it, they're going to sell into it.
He says if you have cash on the sidelines, put it in specific sectors.
So, for instance, utilities are very interest rate sensitive. You may not want to go into utilities right now. REITs, real estate investment trusts, very interest rate sensitive. You have to be very specific about the type of REITs that you go into. You want them to be asset holding REITs, not interest rate REITs.
Above all,
my advice to investors is please do not panic.
Well, so far, President Trump has not commented on the market today. He has tweeted about it in the past, but today a White House spokesman did say markets do fluctuate in the short term. In the newsroom, Alice Gaynor, CBS 2 News.